brightness on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? Thanks for tuning in. This is George again with Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and safety strobe lighting and equipment for cars, trucks, vans, buses, SUVs. As you can see on this beautiful brand new F-150 Platinum, we are running our Razor LED in the grille. We have mounted that using the included 90-degree bracket from the bottom up. We've made sure to keep our vent hole down, and we've attached it to the bottom of the grill right there. We're also running our Wicked Warnings auto flasher mirror mod kit on the white spotlights of the mirrors. We've set the Razor lights to an alternation between amber and white, and it does kind of skip and change pattern from fast to slow. That's one of the pre-included patterns that you can synchronize with your Razor LED strobe lights. As you can see, we've also enabled the flood mode switch, ever so popular here at Wicked Warnings. And by placing that second switch in the on position, we're able to flood the Razors as well as the mirror mod, as well as all 4 lights we're running out back. In the back, we've got our LED HAW Duo, as well as another auto flasher on the OEM reverse lights. Now, normally I've mounted lights in the past videos. You've seen me mount those right about here on the vehicle. And we just chose to go under here on this particular build because we're using the Razor and I wanted to try something new. So this build right here, we did not drill any holes that are visible into the grill. The only holes are 2 tiny screw holes coming up from the bottom with the included 90-degree bracket. So if we were to take these lights off the grill, there would be absolutely no damage. So if you have a grill similar to this, or a grill just like this, this might be the solution for you. Here you can see a little bit of the off-axis. The Razor light containing 9 amber and 9 white LEDs alternately firing produces a great array of light. It gets out to, I would say, approximately 150 degrees, because as you can see, even off to the far side, you can still easily see both of those Razor lights. Let me pull it forward and show you a little bit about the back. So as you can see, out back we are flashing the OEM reverse lights as well as an LED HAW Duo in the cargo. I used the high dome, but the low dome will work just fine. You can use low dome or high dome, and you can fit up to 2 in each side. This truck is running 1 set, 1 white in each side. But if you wanted a dual color, you could fit a white and an amber on each side, 2 sets of hideaways in that third brake light, and get an ultimate bright flash of both color. We're not able to synchronize the cargo with the reverse lights because it's an auto flasher on the reverse lights and a duo on the cargo. And at this time, they're not synchronizable. They're falling into sync right now strictly by accident. But when you're using cross products like that, some of them will synchronize, most of them won't. As we stated earlier, we also have the flood feature enabled, which steady burns the cargo light as well as the reverse for some added lighting when he needs it for loading trailers or working around the vehicle. We are controlling all of this via 2 switches mounted right here in the dashboard area, very cleanly, where I mount them all the time. You can see that they're lighted. I put green for flashing, red for steady, and that's how this system is controlled. Make sure to check the descriptions for links to all of these products individually, as well as a cart which contains all the parts that you will need to do this installation yourself. We do not provide detailed bumper-to-bumper instructions, but we can provide a cart link with everything that you'll need to put this package together with some moderate level 12-volt skill. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency strobe lighting and safety equipment. Be sure to subscribe, share, like, drop a comment, and stay tuned for more beautiful videos of brand new trucks like this.